Let's find out if this tool is even worth having. This is Estelle, and in this video, I'm going to break down what this is, how it's used, and if it's worth having, all from the expertise of a medical massage therapist. Goodness, Nova, what's up? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Oh, everybody knows to like, follow, and subscribe. Who doesn't want to power their healing? I actually got this tool to try out because so many of my clients were talking about how they foam roll their back. When so many of them described using a regular foam roller along their whole back, I got super worried. You never want to foam roll joints, especially over the lumbar spine. Over time, that can cause serious joint damage. After a little searching, I found this guy. As you can see, there's a divot, and that is where your spine goes. These raised parts here are what foam rolls the erector spinae muscle group on either side of the spine without going over the spine directly. To use this tool, you need a firm surface like a yoga mat on the floor. I like to line it up with my spine and then lay back on top of it. From there, you just lift your head and hips a little bit while you use your arms and legs to help you roll up and down the spine. And you can do this for 2 to 15 minutes based on your tolerance. Tip: wear a tight shirt when you use this. My first attempt, I was in my scrub top and it absolutely got all tangled up. I was surprised, honestly, at how much I love this tool. I use it a few times a week. It was affordable too. If you struggle with hypermobility, this tool is not for you. Otherwise, I give it 2 thumbs up. If there's a product you want me to review next, leave it in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.